Hello friends, welcome to our Learn Science and Chemistry podcast. Dear friends, I am very happy to announce that in this year we get plus 235% listeners and we streamed more than 302 times and we get more than 433% followers. So thank you again for being a listener of Learn Science and Chemistry podcast. This podcast is brought to you by www.chemistrynotesinfo.com. I am your host Jitendra Singh Sandhu. In today's podcast, we are going to discuss about some interesting facts about boron elements. So friends, boron is a very important element in the periodic table of elements. It is used from historical times in very scientific and industrial applications. Boron element is a chemical element in periodic table of elements with the symbol B and atomic number 5. It is a metalloid, which means it has properties of both metals and non-metals. Boron element is relatively rare in Earth's crust compared to other elements, making up about 0.001% by weight. The primary source of boron is the mineral borax. Sir Humphrey Davy discovered boron element in 1808. The name of this newly discovered element boron is derived from the Arabic word burak, which means borax. Boron element exists in several allotropic forms. The most common form is crystalline boron, which has a black metallic appearance. Amorphous boron is another form with a brown powder-like appearance. Boron is also known for its ability to absorb neutrons. Boron 10, one of the isotopes of boron, is used in nuclear reactors as neutron capturing agent, which helps in control of nuclear reactions. Boron compound, particularly borates and borax, have been used for centuries in various applications. Borax, a salt of boric acid, has been historically used for cleaning, preserving food, and even as a food preservatives, and in preserving woods also. Boron compounds are utilized as flame retardant in manufacturing of certain materials, including textiles and plastics. Boron compounds work by inhibiting the combustion process. Boron is an essential micronutrient for plant growth. It plays a crucial role in cell wall formation. It is also involved in various physiological processes in plants. Boron forms a class of compounds known as boranes and boron hydrides. These compounds have interesting structure and find applications in the field of organic and inorganic chemistry. Potential medical applications. Boron compounds are being researched for potential medical applications, including cancer treatment. Boron neutron capture theory is a technique that used boron to selectively destroy cancer cells with neutron eradications. Dear friends, you can also visit our website www.chemistrynotesinfo.com to download infographics on boron interesting facts. Dear friends, now we are going to discuss about physical properties of boron. So, boron has the symbol capital B. Boron has the atomic number 5. Boron has atomic mass of 10.81. Boron has the density of 2.34 gram per centimeter cube. Boron has melting point of 2300 degrees Celsius. Boron has boiling point of 2550 degrees Celsius. Boron generally exists in solid state at room temperature. Boron is generally brown when it is in amorphous structure, and it is black in crystalline structure. Boron crystal structure is rhombohedral. Electronegativity of boron is 2.04 on Pauling scale. Specific heat capacity of boron is 1.026 joule per gram degree Celsius. Dear friends, now we are going to discuss about chemical properties of boron. So, boron electronic configuration is 1s2, 2s2, 2p1, and common oxidation states its source is of 3. Common compounds of boron is borax, Na2B4O7.10H2O, and boric acid, H3BO3. Boron is relatively low of about 0.001% of earth crust by weight in abundance. General uses of boron is in the field of nuclear reactors, flame retardants, agriculture as a micronutrient, boron neutron capture therapy in medical applications. Dear friends, you can visit our website to see the slideshow on boron facts, and you can also learn about other elements like hydrogen, helium, carbon, lithium, and many other elements of periodic table and their interesting facts. Thank you to listening this podcast. This podcast is brought to you by www.chemistrynotesinfo.com. Dear friends, you can visit our description of this podcast to get the link of our website where you can get the notes of this podcast and also learn other scientific topics. Thank you to listening this podcast. You can also donate us to support in making other scientific content. You can donate us at UPI chemistrynotesinfo@ICICI, or you can PayPal us at paypal.me/chemistrynotesinfo. Thank you to listening this podcast.